And ma'am, this is a model of an ideal township named Vision 2020. It is a self-sustaining and it is self-sustaining township. As you can see, this is an apartment where solar panels are installed. These solar panels absorb the sun rays of the sun and convert it directly into electrical energy. Also, this is a township with zero waste, as the waste are segregated as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. This non-biodegradable waste include plastics and metals, which are recycled in this recycling center. Also, this biodegradable waste are used in making the compost, which are further utilized in farming and agriculture.
This township also has a gym, but this gymnasium is not like any normal gym. As this gym has equipment like this cycle. This cycle maintains your health as well as converts your mechanical energy into the electrical energy. You can see after pedaling, the light is produced. This produced electricity is used for the gym equipment.
Since this is Vision 2020, so we have many skyscrapers. So we have a good wind velocity. So we designed to utilize the wind energy, and so we feed the windmill along with the dynamo, which converts the wind energy into electrical energy. And the LED glows up. You can see that, and which is used instead of the hydroelectricity and thermal energy. And since all the transportation runs on CNG and other non-conventional sources of energy like solar energy and other sources, cars are also streamlined which uses less fuel due to less friction of air, and there is also an underground parking system by which the owners can be secure about their vehicles.
Now, this is a self-sustaining apartment with a hydraulic lift installed inside it. The hydraulic lift works on Pascal's law. The Pascal is applied on the lift. When I push this piston down, the lift will move down. And when I push the piston up, the lift will move up. Now, another concept of our model is our bridge. As you all know, that today trees have been cut for making roads and railways. So we made a bridge in which a railway is being placed just below the railway is placed just below that, and below that we planted some trees so that wildlife could be conserved. Thank you.